You don't have to be a math guru to know how much you'll be making if the project you've invested in skyrockets in price. So to quickly know how much you're going to be making, I'm going to be showing you this simple app that is going to help you make approximate calculations. Okay, so this right here is the app. It's called Crypto Calculator. Okay, so you could get it on your app store or on the Google Play Store. This app right here has some interesting features. It has an instant calculator. It also helps you know how much you're going to be making in the future, as you can see here. Another interesting thing is that it has a lot of cryptos here. You can see that it has over 10,000 cryptocurrencies and also over 150 fiat currencies. So if you are interested, on Play Store, this is the app in question. You're gonna install it, and once you're done, you click on the open button, and this is gonna bring you to the app like this. Okay, so basically here there are a few things to discover immediately. If you click on this, it's going to show you all of these things here. So you can see it has a calculator, it has a future investment calculator. Here is going to show you the history of the calculations you've done. You could switch to the dark mode if you love to do that. So if you switch it to dark mode, this is how it's going to look like. Of course, the default currency here is the USD, right? If you want to remove ads, this requires some payment, but you don't have to do that to actually make your calculations. Okay, so now how do we use this? Okay, so let's use one of these altcoins that is trending. So once you want to make any calculations, you're gonna click on this sign up here, and then that's going to bring you to this place. So what you would have to do is to put in the cryptocurrency you want to calculate. And the interesting thing about this calculator is that it automatically shows you the current price of the altcoin or the coin you want to make the calculations with. Okay, so as you can see here, the Shiba Inu coin, it already shows me the coin price here. So what I'm going to do is to put in the amount of money I want to invest in this project, or the amount of money I already invested. So let's say you invested $1,000, right? And so you're gonna put in that amount here, and then where it says enter future price. Okay, so what's your target price? So let's say the Shiba Inu coins hits a price of 0.001, right? US dollars, right? So all you need to do now is to calculate how much you are going to be making from your $1,000 investment. You click on this calculate button, boom. So if you buy at this price right here with $1,000, right, and Shiba Inu coin gets to this price in the future, this is how much you are going to be making. You can also do this with any other altcoin. You could simply click on this button right here, that point, to select any other altcoin. So for example, let's say we go with the Luna Classic. We search it right there, Luna Classic, and that's it. Okay, so you can see the Luna Classic shows here, right? So let's do the same thing. So let's say we invest $1,000 and the price gets to $0.01 dollars, right? So what you would have to do now is to scroll down to this place where it says calculate, and then you hit the calculate button, and then you are going to be making $2,586 in profit. Okay, so of course you could use these buttons here if you want to check what you'll be making. If it does a 10%, if it does a 50%, if it does a 2x, you could just click on any of these buttons and then you'll be able to make your calculation. So this is a simple calculator that is going to help you know how much you're going to be making from your investment. So this is it for this video. This is Briggs LBs, and it's your guy Ken signing off.